Welcome to Home Decor USA, your go-to channel for practical home organization tips. Today, we're exploring kitchen organization ideas that will transform your space and make cooking a breeze. A clutter-free, functional kitchen is within reach. Let's get started. Start by decluttering. Begin by removing everything from your cabinets, drawers, and pantry. Yes, everything. Ask yourself, do I use this item regularly? Is it in good condition? Donate duplicates or items you don't need. Toss expired products or broken tools. This is a crucial starting point. It's impossible to organize clutter effectively. Group and categorize items. Once you're left with only the essentials, group similar items together. Keep pots with lids, spices with spices, and baking supplies in one area. Place frequently used items where you can easily reach them. For example, store utensils close to your stove and keep everyday plates and bowls near the dishwasher for easy unloading. Maximize cabinet space. Cabinets often have unused space, but there are ways to make the most of every inch. Use shelf risers to stack plates, bowls, or cups. Install pull-out organizers for pots, pans, and lids to keep them accessible. Lazy Susans are great for corner cabinets, helping you access items that usually get lost in the back. Store heavy items like cast iron skillets on lower shelves for safety and convenience. Organize drawers efficiently. Avoid messy drawers by using dividers. Separate utensils, knives, and small gadgets into designated spaces. Assign sections for smaller items like measuring spoons or bottle openers. For a budget-friendly option, DIY with small boxes or trays you already have. Transform the pantry. A well-organized pantry saves time and reduces stress. Transfer dry goods like rice, pasta, and cereal into clear, airtight containers. Label them for easy identification. Use stackable bins or baskets to group snacks, baking supplies, and canned goods. Tiered shelf organizers allow you to see all your canned goods at once. Arrange items based on how often you use them. Daily essentials should be within easy reach, while less used items can be stored higher or lower. Utilize wall space and hooks. When storage space is limited, go vertical. Install hooks or a pegboard for hanging pots, pans, and utensils. Add hooks under cabinets to store mugs or small tools. A magnetic knife strip is another great option for freeing up drawer space while keeping knives easily accessible. Organize the refrigerator. An organized fridge means less food waste and quicker meal prep. Use clear bins to group similar items such as dairy, condiments, or fruits. Place older food toward the front to ensure it gets used first. Label shelves for added clarity, especially if you share the fridge with family members. Designate a section for leftovers to remind yourself what needs to be eaten soon. Try creative storage solutions. Thinking outside the box can lead to some clever storage hacks. Place a tension rod under the sink to hang cleaning supplies or spray bottles. Install a small shelf inside cabinet doors to hold cutting boards or baking sheets. Repurpose magazine holders to store plastic wrap, foil, or snack bags. Use adhesive hooks inside cabinet doors to hang pot lids or measuring spoons. Maintain the system. An organized kitchen isn't just about creating the system, it's about maintaining it. Dedicate 10 minutes each week to tidy up and return items to their place. Regularly clear out expired food or tools you no longer use. Labeling shelves and bins can help family members stick to the system, making maintenance easier. Closing thoughts. Transforming your kitchen into an organized and functional space doesn't have to be overwhelming. By decluttering, maximizing space, and using creative solutions, you can create a kitchen that's both practical and beautiful. Which of these ideas are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more home organization tips from Home Decor USA. Disclaimer: the images and visuals used in this video are sourced from Google and Pinterest for illustrative purposes. All credit goes to the original creators. If you have any concerns, please contact us for resolution.